Welcome back, students. Today we'll look into experiment 2. Implement following file management tasks in Hadoop. We are supposed to add files, directories, navigate between them, read the files, delete files, remove the directories in Hadoop. So, in order to perform this, for we are performing it on Red Hat. So it is Linux. We would like to go with the Linux commands first, and then a little change with these commands will work out over Hadoop. Let us see these commands. First of all, go to VirtualBox, load the Cloudera, and then open a terminal. So now in the terminal, we be able to work over. These are just like Linux commands. So Unix commands. Uh, in order to see the content of the folder or directory, ls list files and directories. So it lists all the directories and files present in it. Now in order to create a directory, command is mkdir mkdir space any name be given for it. I'm giving it KRS. Enter. Now, if you see, you can see the directory named KRS in this folders. Here we do not have this folder. And then in order to enter into the directory, cd KRS, whatever the directory name, KRS I am giving here. Now we entered into KRS. Now I want to list out all the files in this directory KRS. ls lists. Nothing is present. In order to create a file, cat command. So cat greater than symbol and file name test.txt. I'm creating a text file with name test.txt. Now we have to type the content of the file in order to complete that file. So I am giving the content over there. Now after giving this content, next line, now control C to save and exit the file. So I have saved it. Now let me see whether the file is created or not. ls list files. Yeah, now it is showing a file with name test. Previously when we asked to list, we have nothing. Now we have something, a file over here. And now if we want to see the content of the file, cat file name. To create the file, cat greater than symbol, so that the content is placed into that file. Now cat test.txt. The content will be displayed. This is what the content we have placed in the file. This is for a test. To come out of the directory cd dot dot and to look into where we are, in which directory we are, pwd present working directory pwd. So in home Cloudera, I am in a folder named KRS. In order to come out of this folder KRS, cd space dot dot. Then we come out of this folder or directory. Now pwd present working directory. We are only in home and Cloudera. So this is how you create folders, navigate into folders, come out of the folders, and I just want to show you one more, like copying file and moving files. Copying file command is cp from which location to which location, copy file from which location where the file is, and to which location you want that file to be copied. So uh, I want we are at home Cloudera, and the file is at home Cloudera KRS. So file is at home Cloudera and KRS. Which file do you have there? You might have multiple files, so need to mention that file name, test.txt. To which location you want this? To current location. So home Cloudera. To this location, I want this file to be copied. Now let us see whether that file is copied to KRS. Actually, no, sorry. The file is in KRS, and let us see whether the file is copied to our current directory, Cloudera. List file. Yes, see here folder KRS, and also the file test.txt is copied over here. Similarly, if I want to copy the same file or a rename, we can use move. So mv, move, mv test.txt. It is in this same current folder, so I'm not giving even the path. You can also give like this folder, move this file to which location. So I want to name this as test2 and move it to some other file location. So home Cloudera KRS test2.txt. With this name I want to move it. Let us see. Now it is completed. cdkrs. So I'm changing to the directory. Let us see whether test2 and test is present or not. So two files are there, test2 and test. Now test2, if I want to read the content of test2, cat test2.txt. The same content, because we have copied the same file with a different name. So the same content is there. In order to delete the file, remove file. So remove rm file name, rm test.txt. Not to delete, remove test. So it is asking whether to remove. Yes. Now I will check if the file is present or not. ls list test is removed. Now in order to come out of I want to delete the directory. In order to delete the directory, I need to come out of the directory. See, like we can't demolish a house while we are inside the house. We have to come out of the house, and then we need to demolish it. So for that reason, we will come out of the directory, and we need to delete the directory. So cd dot dot. If you try to remove it there itself it won't. And while coming out cd space dot dot, if it is cd dot dot, it won't come out. Okay, so I'm out of this directory, and ls krs is there. Now we have two commands like remove directory rmdir. When the directory is empty, it removes it. But if the right directory is not empty, we have to forcibly remove. We have hyphen r option. I'll show you that too. First of all, I will show this rmdir krs. Removing this tree, it says directory is not empty. So it won't. If you want to remove forcibly, then rm hyphen r. This removes your directory. It asks, we remove this direct all the files. Yes. Remove regular file. Yes. Then remove directory krs. Yes. Now this is removed. ls, no file is there. So similarly, if you want, this is rm. I want to show you with the rmdir2. So for that, I want to create another directory. Don't delete any existing files and folders over their directories. Okay. If not, your system might corrupt. So make directory md, and then I'm creating dir1 directory. Yeah, sorry, md is for a command prompt Windows. This is mkdir, make directory mkdir dir1. It created list, and is it present? dir1 he is present over here. Now I want to remove this directly because it is empty. So the command is remove directory rmdir dir1. This is removed. ls to show the content. It is removed and it is not present over there. Okay, so this is all about these experiments. uh, Hadoop, we will do a little more with Hadoop fs hyphen and the command. But in order to complete all that, the video will be lengthy, so I will make another video for that. That's all for now. Thank you, guys.